Hey, what's up guys? Check it out, 2024 Blue Collar Tour. So we're at this meet and greet down here in Livermore, California at the purpose-built store, American-made blue collar gear. It's awesome. So we got this little welding demo. We got our bus parked up. We're selling some merch, giving some things away, and just having a great time here in Livermore, California. I love it here.
So Purpose Built's all about making each trade and community stronger. We started in 2019, literally to support blue collars. We are a 5-store retailer, all about America, rooted in the trades. We support all trades. So we're hosting the Blue Collar Tour. For every 100 people leaving the trades, there's only 14 new tradespeople entering. So we saw that as a huge opportunity for us to support the next generation and really do our part to help people know that 4-year college degrees aren't the way to go anymore. You can make a ton of money in the trades, and we're all about supporting the next generation that way. Without trades, nothing prospers, which is a big kind of slogan that we use all the time. And we truly believe that supporting blue collars, the next generation, is massive. I think passion is huge in everything you do, specifically in the trades. I mean, if you think about things, we use a term called brick by brick. We're building things brick by brick. When we're going and approaching a new initiative as a company or a new passion project, we're building a car or a truck. Everything starts with a plan, everything starts with motivation, everything takes drive, everything takes passion. I mean, some of the most motivating people I've ever met are tradespeople.